Kimray and LaMOT Valve and Arrestor have partnered together to provide quality storage tank protection equipment to upstream energy producers. Kimray sales and service locations across the country offer trusted professional repairs. Now, exclusively at our Odessa, Texas location, we're proud to announce the first LaMOT Valve and Arrestor Authorized Repair Center for both the United States and Canada. At the ARC, experienced Kimray technicians can repair and service all LaMOT gauge hatches, pressure vacuum relief valves, and flame arrestors. Products repaired at the ARC undergo specialized testing with proprietary equipment to ensure high performance, safe operation, and minimize downtimes in the field. Using LaMOT's manufacturing test procedures, the ARC ensures that your product repairs will meet the same quality and performance standards as any new LaMOT products. Located in the heart of oil and gas country, we provide LaMOT repair services to energy producers across the United States and Canada. LaMOT equipment can be dropped off locally or shipped to Kimray in Odessa, Texas to meet your repair needs, regardless of your location. Reach out to your local Kimray store to find out more about the Kimray and LaMOT Authorized Repair Center.